This is Groundeffected. My name is Frankie and today we're looking at the XpPen Magic Drawing Pad. I've been using this thing for a couple months now, pretty much every day, for everything from tattoo designs, YouTube merch, thumbnails, even 3D sculpting, and of course handling boring work emails. It's fair to say I've put this through its paces, and spoiler alert, I'm kind of a fan. And since I've actually been using it to make Groundeffected merch, there's a shameless plug right there. If you like what you see, you know where to find it in the description below. The first thing I noticed about the Magic Drawing Pad is the screen. It's got this paper-like texture which with the optional soft nib on the pen feels really close to drawing on actual paper. As someone who loves traditional mediums and still forces themselves to use a sketchbook every now and then to keep my drawing muscles alive, that's a big deal. The pen itself? Love it. It's well balanced, the pressure sensitivity feels great, I don't have to dig trenches into the screen to get a thick line, and it doesn't need charging, which felt a little weird at first, but honestly, it's amazing. No lag issues, no accuracy problems. Once I tweaked a setting in the drawing app, it just works. Okay, so let's nerd out for a second with some of these specs. I promise it'll be fun. It's a 12.2 inch tablet with a 3:2 aspect ratio, plenty of room to draw and still see your interfaces. It's slim and pocketable at about 6.9mm thick and around 600 grams. It's featherlight for a drawing slate. This display boasts 2160 by 1440 resolution, vibrant colour, and that matte X-paper surface very gentle on the eyes and great outside. The stylus is powered by an X3 Pro chip with 16,384 pressure levels, no charging, no pairing, just pick it up and draw. Inside the device is a standalone Android tablet, an 8-core MT8771 processor, an 8GB RAM, and 256GB of internal storage, plus room for a micro SD card if you need extra storage. The battery life lasts around 13 hours on full charge and it includes both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can literally work anywhere. So think of it as both a proper drawing tool and a decent Android tablet rolled into one without the usual gloss and glare. So one of the main benefits I think to having this tablet is that when I'm in the shop with your dad, he often leaves a little bit of a mess. And this area right here, this is where I'm meant to sit and work. Over there it's a lot nicer, but over in my area, not so much. So by having this, I am able to just take my stool, sit down, and kind of just wheel away, and it's completely fine. There are also lots of other places that this becomes a lot more kind of, what's the word? Convenient. Yes, it's a lot more convenient having this rather than having to take a board and a piece of paper and pencil and stuff. Like, you can't be drawing on the toilet. This makes that a possibility. One of the main reasons I wanted this tablet was portability. Before, digital colouring meant hiding in my office all night. Now I can sit next to my wife in the living room and keep working. That's easily my favourite part about this thing. I've even taken it on trips to London, full tattoo designs on the train, no problem. The case it comes with also makes me feel more comfortable taking it on long journeys, as I know it will be a little protected from spontaneous badger attacks. And the battery life, I have no complaints about it. It lasts a good long drawing session, and the screen is bright. The colours look rich, and that paper-like matte finish means I can draw outside without glare, something I actually do quite a lot. And as a bonus, if you're at the park and it starts raining, you could always use it as a rain hat. It comes preloaded with Medibang paint and Ibis paint, both free pieces of software, both new to me, but I picked up Medibang really quickly and stuck with it. Could I upgrade to a paid app? Yeah, of course I could. Do I feel like it? No, not really. And that's kind of how this whole tablet feels. It just slotted into my workflow without any hassle. Tattoos, merch, thumbnails is now a core part of my creative toolbox. So who's the tablet for? Well, if you're a traditional tablet user, you're not tethered to a computer anymore. Draw while you're on a train or riding a whale, it's totally up to you. And if you're using another portable tablet, the big draws are price and the paper-like screen. Honestly, for what you get, it's quite strong value. Of course, nothing is perfect. The power button is a bit sensitive. I had a few moments where it restarted in my bag, and me and your dad spent ages searching the studio for the source of the sounds, which was kind of embarrassingly just coming from my rucksack. It's an easy fix though, once I realised, just pack it button side up. You know, it's pretty simple. And I may also be using it basically every night to play the Pokemon trading card game. It feels closer to playing with real friends that I don't have. Don't judge me. In the end, this tablet is one of those rare bits of tech that just fits. It doesn't feel like a gimmick, it feels like a tool that makes me want to draw more. For me, it makes you want to move to a log cabin in Norway to write poetry and draw gnomes, and honestly, that's high praise. One of my big projects with the tablet is a Patreon exclusive 3D printable model. Want a sneak peek? Head to Patreon. And if you want some Groundeffected merch, that's what you've just seen. Straight from this little pad, XpPen Magic Drawing Pad is a winner in my books, and if you want to take a look yourself, there is of course a link in the description below. Thank you XpPen for sending us this wonderful tablet, and thank you to all of our patrons for continuing to blind our eyeballs out. If you watched the video whilst you're on the toilet, make sure to wash your hands before attending a buffet. And for those of you that got stuck until the end of the video, despite not liking it, what you've seen on the channel today, I still appreciate you, but also